Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. D-clutch cable replacement, a simple fix for your shifting woes. Ever found yourself struggling with a sticky or unresponsive clutch pedal? It's a common yet often overlooked sign that your clutch cable might be on its way out. Located in the heart of your vehicle's manual transmission system, the clutch cable is essential for engaging and disengaging the engine from the drivetrain. Though durable, this crucial component can degrade over time, leading to issues that affect your car's performance and your driving experience. In this video, we'll explore the telltale symptoms of a failing clutch cable, like unexpected pedal vibrations or a pedal that feels spongier than usual. Understanding these warning signs is key to timely maintenance, ensuring you're not left stranded with a malfunctioning clutch. Stick around to learn all about clutch cable replacement and why it's vital for keeping your ride smooth and responsive. Signs of a failing clutch cable. Difficulty shifting gears. When your clutch cable starts to wear out, one of the first signs you may notice is difficulty shifting gears smoothly. A worn-out clutch cable can cause grinding or resistance when trying to shift, making it challenging to transition between gears seamlessly. This is not only frustrating but also impact the overall driving experience, leading to potential safety concerns on the road. Spongy clutch pedal. A spongy or loose clutch pedal is another common indicator that your clutch cable may be failing. When you press the clutch pedal and it feels soft or spongy under your foot, it could mean there are issues with the clutch cable. A compromised clutch cable affects the pedal's responsiveness, which can result in delays or difficulties in disengaging the clutch properly. This not only affects the vehicle's performance but also raises safety concerns while driving. Unusual noises. Strange noises during clutch engagement, such as rattling or grinding sounds, are red flags that your clutch cable may be on the verge of failure. These noises can be alarming and indicate that the clutch components are not functioning as they should. Ignoring these sounds could lead to more severe damage to the clutch system. If you hear any unusual noises while engaging the clutch, it's essential to address them promptly to prevent further issues and ensure a safer driving experience. Tools and materials needed. When embarking on a clutch cable replacement, it's crucial to have the right tools and materials at your disposal. Being prepared with the necessary equipment can make the process smoother and more efficient. Below is a comprehensive list of tools required for clutch cable replacement, along with some specific tools needed for different vehicle makes and models. Tools required. Wrenches. Ensure you have a set of wrenches in different sizes to fit various nuts and bolts that you may encounter during the replacement process. Screwdrivers. Have both flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers available to assist in removing components like panels or fasteners. Jack stands. These are essential for safety when lifting the vehicle off the ground to access the clutch cable underneath. Replacement clutch cable kit. Purchase a clutch cable kit suitable for your specific vehicle make and model. This kit typically includes the replacement cable and any accompanying components needed for installation. Specific tools for different vehicle makes, models. Vehicle-specific tools. Some vehicles may require specialized tools for certain components or parts unique to their make and model. Check your vehicle's manual or online resources to determine if there are any specific tools needed for your particular vehicle. Having the right tools and materials ready before beginning the clutch cable replacement ensures that you can work efficiently and effectively. By being well prepared, you'll minimize any potential delays or complications during the replacement process. Replacing the clutch cable. Replacing the clutch cable is a crucial maintenance task that ensures your vehicle's smooth operation. Let's break down the process into 3 essential steps for a successful replacement. Locating the clutch cable. To start, locate the clutch cable either in the engine compartment or underneath the vehicle, depending on the make and model. Typically, the clutch cable runs from the clutch pedal to the transmission linkage. You may need to access it from both ends for a complete replacement. Here are some tips to make the process easier. Refer to your vehicle's manual for specific guidance on the clutch cable's location. Clear any obstacles or debris that might hinder your access to the clutch cable. Use a flashlight to illuminate hard-to-see areas for better visibility. Removing the old cable. Removing the old clutch cable requires attention to detail and safety precautions. Begin by disconnecting the cable from the clutch pedal and transmission linkage. Remember to support the vehicle securely on jack stands. Avoid any sudden movements that may cause the vehicle to shift. Keep your hands and tools clear from moving parts to prevent injuries. And that wraps up part 1 of our clutch cable replacement guide. We hope you found the steps clear and concise. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll tackle the final steps to get your clutch working like a dream. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.